Hey guys, makeup tutorial. And anyways, I'm gonna start that off already because I'm trying to make this an Instagram one too. So I'm gonna use a Conceal Perfect. Yep, piercing and nails. I'm gonna blend that in. I could cut this out later for the Instagram video. So as you can see, this is not really that full coverage. I thought it was. Oh god, I don't want to get my nose piercing. There we go. And also, I keep stabbing my face with these fingers. So, yeah. Life is great right now. And I can't take off my nails because I don't have acetone. So, yeah, these are stuck on until they fall off. I'm talking about my fingers, not my nails. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna keep blending that. Okay, now we're gonna use a sponge. I'm just gonna blend that out a little. I cannot even see what I look like right now. Oh my god, my concealer. I'm going to use Super Stay. And I'm going to use my foundation brush. Much on the brush, so I'm just gonna swipe it slowly. Oh god. And also highlight with that. Because why not? I mean, you've already gone this far with the too much on it. Oh gosh, let me blend. This looks great. Use this contouring thing from NYX. Yep, to contour my face. Use this brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that on here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That was a bad idea. Why am I even trying to contour my nose? I'm just gonna make a butch. This is not the right contouring brush for like details. Also, I hate this NYX thing. It feels so like, it doesn't even feel creamy at all. It's like hard. And I cannot blend this out. It's terrible. Terrible. I'm gonna blend it out. Well, at least try to blend it out because it's terrible. Yeah, it's, as you can see, it's not blending out at all. And I saw like a 4.5 for this, like, well, when I checked it, it's probably lower now or higher, hopefully not higher. Because if it's higher, I'm just gonna cry because some people said it's like amazing, the texture is awesome, it blends out so good. So I think it's maybe just my skin tone, hopefully. Or I got a dud or a fake version because, but I got this at CVS. Well, actually Target, so I would not think it's a fake. But I don't know. I don't know, okay? I just don't know. Now I'm gonna set my face using the contouring thing. Just gonna open it. Just gonna put this on my under. Oh yes. Yes. I'm gonna use this Revlon Galaxy, so I'm just gonna do this one, I think. Beautiful. It looks like chalk. Like most of my makeup. Because it's all from the drugstore. Except two things. Take my soft glam. I'm gonna take Dusty Rose. On that my crease. This is like the only matte color I'm using because why not? I'm going to use Rose Pink, I think. I don't know. Try not to poke my eye out with this. Oh my god. So close. It's definitely not even, but whatever. I don't care anymore. I'm going to use this NYX soft cream. I'm just going to put that on.